Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset factory settings to your Sony ZV-1 camera. And to do this we'll need to click and open a menu. Right here go for the toolbar settings. Right here there should be this yellow icon, so go to it, then move down and simply move to the last page, which is the 6th, and then go for settings reset. Camera settings reset, initialize. So let's reset all of the settings and the device should be restarted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.